everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue. For the last 4 months or so, I've been using Hammer Stahl knives during my cooking classes and videos. And I love them for 3 reasons. Number 1, German steel. Number 2, very durable. And number 3, which for me is the most important thing, it's the weight balance in the knife. They are very, very well balanced. And I love how they just fits your hand. So lo and behold, we got a little surprise package today from Hammer Stahl. So I thought we will unbox it together and see what's in it. So here we go. We're gonna carefully cut the tape and then let's flip it over. Let's remove the cardboard box. And then, wow, we got a 21-piece classic collection. So let's open it up and see what's in it. We got a box here that says main block, so let's open that one up. It's very well packaged, but let's remove the bubble wrap. Wow, that is a beautiful display. So we got these blocks for the steak knives. So let's put those on. We can either hang them like that, or they can be freestanding like that. So let's see what kind of knives that goes into it. First, we have a set of 8 sharp steak knives. So we got a 7-inch vegetable cleaver. I love how this feels in my hand. I'm guessing it goes right in there. Then we got a beautiful 8-inch carving knife. And I'm guessing, where do we put it? Well, I guess we can put it right in there. Next knife is a 5-inch cheese knife. Let's put that one there. We got a beautiful carving fork. Gonna put that one there. Then we have a 7.5-inch Santoku knife. I'm gonna place that one right there. We also got a nice 10-inch slicer. And of course, you have to have a beautiful 8-inch bread knife. We have a 4.5-inch Santoku knife. Let's put that one there. We also have a cool little 3.5-inch paring knife. I'm gonna put that one right in the middle. And then of course, last but not least, you have to have a great honing steel. And there we go, the set is complete. So that was my unboxing video of this beautiful 21-piece cutlery set from Hammer Stahl. I cannot wait to start using those in both my cooking classes and my cooking videos. And until then, I think it's gonna look pretty darn good on the countertop. I hope you like this video. Happy grilling. Wow. Woohoo!